How to open command prompt in a specific folder as administrator? I made a shortcut to cmd.x and specified the folder that I want to start in. I then went to Advanced and ticked Run as administrator. When I double-click on the shortcut, it always starts in commandline. What I am missing? How can I get the command line to start in the folder specified?
And the target you should specify cmd/kcdc:\CRP.
If you want the reasoning behind it, the start in is explicitly ignored when elevation is performed, only on binaries that are part of Windows itself, to protect against a potential security vulnerability. The basic idea is that potentially malicious DLLs located in the working directory might be controlled by a user other than the current admin, and can then be loaded with high privileges. To prevent this, UAC will reset the working directory. Because shortcut start in is set before elevation occurs, this gets reset during elevation. In an ideal world, this protection would apply to all elevations, but it only applies to built-in Windows binaries because it breaks some third-party programs that expect the working directory to be preserved. The other answers bypass this by telling the elevated cmd to change its working directory after elevation occurs, via the /k argument.
In Site Explorer, there is a quick access toolbar, COT, since the introduction of the ribbon in Windows 8. Click on File and GT, open cmd prompt and GT, open cmd prompt as admin, and make a right-click and select to pin it to COT. Now you can click on this icon in every folder you like and the cmd now opens in this folder. To run the cmd as admin faster from the COT, press the Alt key and you see a number for the position in the COT. If you now press the number, the tool at this position is started. In my case 4 runs the cmd as admin.
Barlip is correct. If you add /kcd\path/to/folder to the target field after cmd.exe, the resultant command prompt window will execute the cd command and then leave you with a prompt to do with as you please. If you need to change to a different drive, you'll need cd/d rather than just cd. If you need to change to a network drive, use pushed instead. It automatically mounts the target UNC path as a drive and changes to it. The /k switch to cmd means do this command and keep the prompt open. Everything after the /k is treated as a literal command, so you don't have to worry about escaping. You can use and amp semicolon and amp to execute multiple commands, cd /path/to/folder and amp semicolon and amp, echo hi, will produce a prompt in that directory with hi printed at the top. The equivalent of /k that doesn't keep the prompt around is /c, for execute this command.